Hi friends, welcome to Fun Fun Learn and Play. Today we are going to learn 10 animals. Are you ready? Let's begin. Look, it's a lion. The lion is big and strong. The lion has a loud roar. Can you say lion? The lion says, look, it's an elephant. The elephant is very big. It has a long trunk. Can you say elephant? The elephant says, look, it's a monkey. The monkey likes to climb trees. Monkeys are very playful. Can you say monkey? The monkey says, look, it's a cow. The cow lives on a farm. Cows give us milk. Can you say cow? The cow says, look, it's a dog. The dog is a friendly animal. Dogs like to run and play. Can you say dog? The dog says, look, it's a cat. The cat is soft and quiet. Cats like to stretch and climb. Can you say cat? The cat says, look, it's a horse. The horse is big and strong. The horse lives on a farm. Can you say horse? The horse says, look, it's a duck. The duck swims in the water. Ducks have webbed feet. Can you say duck? The duck says, look, it's a sheep. The sheep has soft wool. Sheep live on a farm. Can you say sheep? The sheep says, listen. Great job learning animals today. You did amazing. Which animal is your favorite? Lion? Dog? Elephant? Say it out loud. If you had fun learning today, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun Learn and Play for more fun learning videos. We learned shapes, colors, numbers, animals, and so much more. See you on our next learning adventure. Bye, friends.